Hello friends, now I am to show how to use shape tool in Photoshop. For example, how to draw rectangle, circle, square, polygon and line, ellipse, etc. You can see here is a shape tool. Just click on it. You can see rectangle tool, round rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, etc. Just click on rectangle tool and must be confirmed. Here is a shape and drag your mouse. It's a rectangle. If you want to draw square, just press shift key and drag your mouse. It's make a square. If you want to draw a ellipse, just click on it and draw a ellipse. If you want to draw a circle, just press shift and drag your mouse. It's a circle, must be a circle. If you want to draw a line, just click on it and drag your mouse. Here is a line. If you want to draw straight line, always you can see that. Just press shift key and it's a straight line. Make a straight line. So if you want to a fixed center area, if you want to a fixed center area, just click rectangle tool and alter and drag your mouse. It's a fixed center area. You can see that. If you want to draw a fixed center square, just click alter shift and drag your mouse. It's a fixed center square. If you want to draw a fixed center circle, just press alter shift and drag your mouse. It's a fixed center circle. If you want to fill a color in shape, just click fill color and change this color. Just click on it and you can see here is a fill color, and you can get it color clicker and select any color. If you want to change stroke line, that time you select a color and select change stroke yellow. Here is a stroke effect and you can see stroke changes, stroke style. You can change it. So thanks for watching.